Mommy, they collect animals from zoos. Look at that. It looks so cute.
You want like this?
These are the ones I want. They're so... Mommy, I will show you which one I... Mommy, here, this is the fish I want. They're cute.
You want like that?
Yeah, they're so cute.
Malalaki na ito.
Oh,
Which is the cold one at times, mate?
You've got these 12 tons there. Then you've got this end.
So should we pick from these ones or these ones? These ones. Oh, there's these ones. Which one you want? There's stuff that's like in the back out.
I'm taking a look at them. What's he saying?
Say hello.
Hello. What's over here? Looks kind of...
Put 6 for now in the time. I don't want to put 2 now.
What's he doing?
We got some of them little ones now just to set the trap up. Okay, just so you got some fish in the tank. Yeah.
Ready to pick those two? I'll catch them.
Want to pick them? Oh, yeah. Aye. He doesn't know where he's going.
This one?
Yeah. Love that one? Yeah.
What's kind of cool?
Hey, do you want to pick 2, Iris, or do you just want any 2?
You can pick them if you want. You want to catch one if you want.
Sure enough, this fish. He is super duper big.
This one, Iris, look at this.
These, they're so glowy.
Oh, buddy.
And these ones looks like tampons to me. Because they have like these black stripes. Wait, how did it get over? How did it get over there? Ew. Lizard. Woo! Hello there. We got the lizard.
No, it's not a crocodile.
Then why does it have like that? Crocodiles also have that. He looks like
Very
a
big.
giant hug monster.
They don't have enough space now inside.
I don't know what.
See these ones? You know, look at these ones. Can you see? Yeah, I'll show you. These are big.
This one, Iris, you want?
Look at them.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah.
Nice and proper. Gold ones, you see them?
Yeah.
They look like a goldfish.
Here. Look at them proper gold ones there. Oh, what's the matter? It's okay. You're not going to switch up yet.
Aw, they look so cute. They look like goldfish.
The other koi.
Oh, look at these little